What's up guys, Broke Built Boyz. So real quick, before I get this started, I'm just gonna go bring my truck over to the car wash over down the road. It's about 10 minutes away from here. Just gonna give it a wash after the last video you guys saw, hopefully from the 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for that. We're already at 150 and we're climbing and climbing, we're trying. So without further ado, I'm gonna go for a ride over to the car wash and get this thing washed up. Nothing too crazy, but it has a lot of the compound dust that's it's really known for, and the rims could use a bit of loving, but yeah, time for a transformation. Right, she's all rinsed down, soaked up a little bit. Now to bring it back home, and I just got to do the wheels up and then quick detail her. She'll be back to new. All right guys, so we're in the compound right now and we're gonna show you the new car that you guys have probably seen on the 100 subscriber video. We're not gonna go in depth too far as a build breakdown like we did on the previous cars, but we just want you to get a good glimpse at what it is, since all you guys saw so far with the tandem donuts and it's
Hey guys, Drew here. This is my E46. We don't have much done to it yet. We just got some coilovers, some 18s, nothing done mechanically yet, but we plan on doing a lot here soon as far as angle kits and maybe some aesthetics here and there. As you can see, it is a 330i. It has the LSD, but the clutches wear out around 100,000, so this one's pretty worn, so we're gonna swap that out with an open, probably weld that. We have a muffler delete, so nothing too crazy. We're gonna get some real stuff done to this year though, so you guys will see soon.
Well, alright guys, this is gonna wrap up today's video. Like we said, this isn't the overview of the E46, it's just the only thing we left on this was the 100 subscriber video that it was featured in, and we didn't want anybody thinking that it was just a one-time showing, but it is part of the channel. So,
all right, so look forward to our upcoming videos, because like I said, we do have some stuff that we're gonna be doing to this. I have a lot of things in mind and I think you guys would like it. Yeah, so just make sure you like, subscribe, comment.
So we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Let's get this money.